Guys, so I'm back, same outfit, same hair, same makeup. Just didn't feel like changing anything. And at the same time, I was like, well, we're on a roll, we're doing makeup unboxings and whatnot, so we'll keep the same look. So I wanted to do another PR unboxing. I got this NYX box, or NYX makeup, professional makeup box in the mail like a few days ago. I did a little thing on my Snapchat story, or I keep saying Snapchat, Instagram story, because I don't really bang with Snapchat anymore like that. So my Instagram story, I put a little story on here basically unboxing all of this stuff. So if you guys want to watch that too, you might as well. So I will leave my Instagram handle on the screen and down below. So let's get started. Oh, you can hear everything rolling out. So this is from NYX Professional Makeup. I got it in the mail during the week, last week. And I wanted to go through everything that they sent me in this little PR box here. Obviously, I took out all of the packaging, so everything is just product, basically, in here. So, let's show you guys what they sent. So, the first products that I'm going to show y'all are the Wonder Sticks. They sent me this little bad boy, and they actually sent me this guy, too. So, I have two of them. One is universal and the other one is medium tan. I already swatched these on my story, but I'll swatch them again for you guys because the universal one isn't going to really work for me. It's a little too light and it'll work for like my sister. So these are Wonder Sticks, which are highlight and contour sticks. I didn't say that at first. So basically they're for highlighting and contouring. You see this color, it's a little light. It literally like barely, you don't even see that. Like you can't even see that on my hand. Like it's literally my skin tone, so I'm not really gonna contour anything. And then the highlighter was just a little too light for me. It was like really creamy and really light. Can y'all see that? See, I don't know. You can kind of see it. A little too like on the white side. Like it's like a very white sheery color. So I wasn't a fan of that one. But the darker one, this medium tan one, I could probably work with. It was just a little more like skin tone friendly for me. If I can get it open. Jeez. Let's swatch it so you guys can see. Again, I did swatch these already on... Well, this one's a little light too, but you know what, I thought it was darker. I don't know, I remember it being darker. Maybe I'm tripping, but yeah, so these I'll probably give to my sister because she's like 3 shades lighter than me, so these will definitely work for her. But yeah, see that they're very close to each other. I would need like a darker one for someone of my skin tone. So, but I mean, I don't know if they work. I just wanted to show them to you guys because these are products that they are promoting right now. This was in their PR box, so I didn't send me a card with any information on it or anything, like whether it's new. It might not be a new product. It might be, I'm not really sure. So I will leave the NYX website links down below and you guys can kind of search and see if you guys would like any of this. So I did use these though. This is the micro brow pencil. I actually used it on my brows today. I did my makeup with them and I love them. I did not get to use this one yet. I think this one is espresso. So this one's a little darker and this one is brunette. I opened the brunette one already. I've already used it and I loved it. It basically comes with a regular pencil on this side, and then it also comes with a little spoolie, like little brush thing on the other side, and you can just shape your brows and then fill them in. So I thought that this was really cool. You know, I'm always looking for something for my brows and I love this. It came out really good. I love like how I shaped my brows. The color was perfect. It matched perfectly. The espresso one, I'm not sure. I didn't open it, so I don't even know how dark it is, but I feel like it sounds like it'll be a little darker. So yeah, but these two are really cool. So the NYX micro brow pencils, you guys might want to check these out. I used this already. I like it. Then the next thing they sent me was Honey Do Me Up. So I think this is Oh, it's a primer. I was trying to figure out what this was in my other video I did on Instagram. So I didn't see this at the bottom. It's a primer. That's what it is. So it's like a dewy primer. Okay. So it says Honey Do Me Up, and it's a primer. So I'm assuming it's going to give you like a dewy finish with your makeup. This would kind of counteract what I do with my foundation situation, because I am more of a matte foundation type of girl, just because I'm very oily in the summertime and we're heading into spring. So I don't know if I would want a dewy look, but if you're into a dewy look, you might want to try out this honey dip stuff. I'm interested actually to play with this. Hold on. Don't do this, you guys. Don't open stuff with your mouth. I'm 5 years old in real life, so I pretty much open things with my mouth, but you shouldn't. So okay, I don't know why this doesn't want to cooperate for me, but let's open this. I'm curious to see. I don't know, it's called honey, so I want to see what it smells like. Is that weird that I want to smell it? Hold on. Oh, it's very like honey. Oh, okay. So it doesn't have like, okay, I got it on my nose. That wasn't a good idea. Let's see. It's very like, let me just put some, oh, it's kind of like honey, like that slimy. It's kind of slimy, you guys. But it doesn't, actually, you know what? When you rub it into your skin, it's not slimy. It's like dewy. Like, you guys see the little glow on my hand there. So it has like a dewy, okay, and it dries very dry. It dries dry. What? No, seriously though, it really does, you guys. It kind of dries like, I don't know, it dries really well. So I don't know how to explain how it dries, but I thought it would be like wet and like sticky, but no, it looks that way like in here. But when you apply it to your skin, it really does give your skin like a nice dewy finish, but like very dry. Like not dry like as in dry, but like dry as in like it's not wet. I don't know if anything I'm saying is making sense right now, but you guys know what I mean. So the next product they sent me was the Dewy Finish long lasting setting spray. So I've never used a NYX setting spray, so let's try it. Actually, we'll use it on my face. Why not? Has a little bit of like an alcohol-y smell. But, I mean, yeah, it kind of has that like hairspray-ish, alcoholish smell to it. But we'll see how it works. I mean, I've never used it before. So they basically sent me their setting spray. What is this one? This is their glitter primer. So this is a primer because they sent me glitter, which I love glitter, like eyeshadow glitter. I'll open one of them for you. It comes with the little holes in them, so you can kind of sprinkle them on your skin, I guess on your brush or something. I love glitter, like I really do, you guys. I'm so like into glitter and artsy that I'd probably use this for something else, but I love the idea of like just putting glitter on your eyes and stuff like that. I've always been a fan of that. So I don't know, only when I feel like experimenting. Realistically, you're not going to see me with glitter eyes on a Friday, but you never know. Now that I have a little bit more, I might play around with it. So this is their glitter, little glitter set they sent. I opened most of this stuff already. I haven't used it, but I opened it. Some of it was actually packaged. So this is the NYX HD photogenic concealer. I did use it today with my makeup look, which if you guys want to see this makeup look, just leave me a comment and I will film a video on how I did my makeup today. So I used this NYX HD concealer. I have, which one is this one? This one is CW03 and this one is CW05. So I'm going to show you 03 right now. I haven't used 3. But I did use 5 today, and I really liked it. So let me show you. This is 3 right here. On the end, that's 3. Then I'm going to show you guys 5 as well. They're very, very similar, and they actually work really well for highlighting and contouring. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. So the bottom is 3, the top of it is 5. I liked how they blended out on my face. I was very happy with it. So I'll probably will keep using these. I normally just use my LA Girl Pro ones, but I actually really like that. So I'm going to keep doing that. I have not opened this yet, but this is their HD translucent powder. This is just basically for setting your makeup, your under eye and all that kinds of stuff. Haven't used it yet. So I will maybe one day in a video use it. We'll see. I haven't got a chance to play around with it, but if you guys are interested in their powder, there's some right there. What else haven't I showed you guys? They also sent me some lip products, which I actually already have. I think I have all 3 of these, except for this liquid suede one. So they sent me the butter gloss, which I have already, and I've definitely used these in a video, which this is actually one of my favorite lip glosses. They've also sent me the NYX lingerie, or lingerie as I say it, the NYX lingerie lip gloss. So this one is called Liply in 06. I actually have this one, I think. I have a few of these like NYX liquid suede things. I bought a bunch of them one day. So I think I already have this color, to be honest. So it's probably going to be a very nude color. I didn't open it, but I'll use it in a tutorial or something. This one is their, this is a red one. This is their liquid suede cream lipstick, which I haven't even opened yet either. Guys, I'm terrible. I'm sorry. Some of this makeup, I don't get a chance to really use it yet, so forgive me. But these 3 lip colors, I mean, NYX is pretty reliable when it comes to lip glosses and lipsticks and matte lip colors. I have most of their products. I've been using NYX products for years, so I think you guys will be happy with them. So these are the next products that they sent me. They sent me these 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one is the multi-finish palette. It says Ultimate, and then this one is the, oh wait, they both say Ultimate. So this one says multi-finish eyeshadow palette, and this one says shadow palette ombre. So one is USP 01 Smoky and Highlight, and this one is USP Electric. So this is the electric palette, clearly because it's all of these bright, beautiful colors. And this one is the smoky one, which, I mean, it speaks for itself. So if you guys are looking for 2 affordable palettes, these will probably be really great. NYX has very good makeup eyeshadow palettes. I tend to use their eyeshadow palettes. I use their contour palette a lot, you guys. That's one of my favorite palettes, but I will swatch a couple of these colors for y'all just to let y'all know on my finger. See how, yeah, so they're pretty pigmented. This one is, that one's a little powdery. It's pigmented, but more powdery because it's a, it's more of a glitter. Okay, well, yeah, so, I mean, can you guys see that? Can y'all see that? Okay, wait. So they're kind of sheer. I don't know. They could be a little more pigmented, in my opinion. For color eyeshadows, like those bright colors, I feel like they need to be really pigmented, because if they're too chalky, they're not going to come out right when you apply them. So for me, I would prefer something a little more pigmented than that. We might have a winner chicken dinner, though, with this smoky palette, just because darker colors tend to be a little better, in my opinion. Take the top off. It doesn't come with a mirror or anything, but I mean, you guys get the idea. So these are the colors. NYX, I think, is like my favorite drugstore. So I'm going to do this brown. See, yeah, much more pigmented. I'm going to do this like auburny burgundy. So I feel like it's either hit or miss with these types of eyeshadow palettes. These are the colors that I did. Can you guys see them? Back up. So here are some of the colors that I swatched. I feel like the matte colors are more pigmented than the shimmery ones. The shimmery ones are pigmented, but they're a little chalky. I don't know, it's a little weird, but we'll have to use them to truly know, but not mad at it. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is, I think this is everything. They sent me a makeup brush, but I don't know what I did with it. It's probably up there with the rest of my makeup brushes. I looked and I couldn't find it, you guys, so I apologize. But it was just like, I think, an eyeshadow brush, nothing too crazy. So here is the I Love You So Mochi palette. Someone corrected me in my last video. So they sent me this again, which I actually already have it because my last PR package had both of them. So this is the I Love You So Mochi palette. It is the Electric Pastels one, which I have 2 of these now. What I'm going to give away to my sister, one of them. I loved this. This was super pigmented. If you guys, I will link my old video down below because I think I swatched it. Yeah, look at that. Crazy. I swatched it and I showed you guys. I think I did. But if I didn't, let me just do it a little more right now, so you can see these colors. I absolutely love this palette. I actually have been using it. I think I used it in a tutorial. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but it's a really good palette, you guys. So that's it, guys, for my PR unboxing for NYX. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of these, please comment down below and let me know, and I will get them up for you. I can only do them when I actually receive PR packages, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.